Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss top 15 NCQ for IBPS AFO and the topic is General Agriculture and this is part 6. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. So friends, पहला question है Who discovered Indian indoor composting method? Option C is correct, Sir Albert Howard and Wade in 1924 to 1926. Here is a list of some composting method and their discoverer and they are Bangalore composting method. This was by C. N. Acharya in 1939. Indian indoor composting method, Sir Albert Howard and Wade, 1924 to 26. Coimbatore method, Manikam in 1967. And NADEP method of composting, and this was by Narayan Rao Pandheri Pandey. Next question, question number 2. Which of the following crop is classified low sensitive to water shortage? Option B is correct, cassava. The low sensitive to water shortage is the late season stage. The stage includes ripening and harvest. Such a low sensitive crops are cassava, millets and then red gram. Bananas are classified high sensitive to water shortage and beans as medium to high. Next question, question number 3. The high yielding rust resistant wheat variety Kalyan Sona became susceptible to rust some years after its release and cultivation because of option B is correct, emergence of new races in pathogen. Kalyan Sona became susceptible to leaf rust because of emergence of new races of pathogen. Kalyan Sona was very much popular among the farmers in India because of their high yield, rust resistant amber grain and adaptability to different soil and climate conditions of the country and occupied nearly 10 million hectare of area in the country and made the green revolution to happen. Next question, question number 4. For which crop was the first experimental insurance scheme was implemented? Option C is correct, cotton. A beginning in crop insurance scheme was made by General Insurance Corporation of India in 1972 by implementing an experimental crop insurance scheme for cotton crop on individual approach in Gujarat state. Next question, question number 5. The length of engineer chain is option A is correct, 100 feet. Engineer chain, also known as Ramsden's chain, comes in 100 feet length, which helps in measuring distance. It consists of 100 link and each link being 1 feet long. At every 10 links, a brass ring or tags are provided for indication of 10 links. Next question, question number 6. Which type of greenhouses are constructed on hilly terrains? Option A is correct, uneven span type. Uneven span type of greenhouse is a greenhouse with one roof slope longer than the other. The roofs are not equal to each other. They are usually constructed on hilly terrains and undulating areas. Next question, question number 7. Which stage is the most sensitive to waterlogging in cotton plants? Option D is correct, flowering. Cotton plants show the highest sensitivity to waterlogging at the flowering stage, followed by the squaring stage. The seedling stage comes third and then the boll opening stage. Next question, question number 8. The most water sensitive stages for flower crops are option D is correct, bud formation and flowering. The amount of injury caused by water stress depends on the stages of plant development at which it occurs. Amongst the 3 distinct life cycle of flower crops, reproductive stages of the crop is high sensitive to water stress. Hence, the water sensitive stages for flower crops are bud formation and flowering. And for the ornamental crops, it's the flowering stage only. Next question, question number 9. How much is the working efficiency of a dibbler in hectare per day? Option D is correct, 0.15. A dibbler is a simple tool used for creating holes and furrows for planting seeds or seedlings into the ground and having the working efficiency of 0.15 hectare per day. Next question, question number 10. Which of the following is a nematode disease of rice? Option B is correct, Euphoria. Molia disease of wheat and barley, Euphoria disease of rice, and slow decline of citrus is caused by nematode. Next question, question number 11. What is or are the function of seed drill among these options? Option D is correct, all of the above. That means the function of the seed drills are covering the seeds in furrow, dropping seeds, and making furrows. A seed drill is a farm machinery tool that is used to sow seeds for crops by positioning the seeds into the soil and burying them into a specific depth. They ensure the seeds are covered properly in the furrows. Hence allows the all of the above function given in this question. Next question, question number 12. Loose mud of wheat is a or an? Option C is correct, internally seed-borne disease. Ustilago tritici is a plant pathogen infecting wheat crops, replaces grain head with smut, or a masses of spores surviving as dormant mycelia within the embryo of an infected wheat seed. When the seed germinates, the fungus became active again, hence called an internally seed-borne disease. Next question, question number 13. Which among the following crop is classified very least sensitive to water shortage? Option A is correct, tomato. Sensitive to water shortage means if they suffer even little water shortages, their yields will be reduced considerably. Such crops are, according to highest to lowest sensitive, banana, cabbage, vegetable, rice, sugarcane, and then is tomato. Next question, question number 14. The heart of seed sowing machine is? Option B is correct, seed metering mechanism. A seed drill is a device which shows seeds by positioning them in the soil and burying them to a specific depth by different components parts like seed box and seed tube. Some machines for metering out seeds for planting are called planters. It helps as a seed metering mechanism. And the next question, question number 15 is, study of rhizosphere was initiated by? Option D is correct, Hiltner. In 1904, the German agronomist and plant physiologist Lorenz Hiltner first coined the term rhizosphere to describe the plant-root interface, where a hotspot for microbial interaction and activities. A word originating in part from the Greek word rhiza, meaning root. Thank you friends for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.